I'm Clay Carlino, and I don't have visors on my truck windows. At least not yet. My last truck, Brutus, had visors above the windows around here, and there was no back door, so there wouldn't have been a visor for that side. But I really liked having the visors. It enabled you to crack the windows without somebody being able to get a coat hanger up in there, and it also allowed you to have the windows open a little bit even when it was raining without the water blowing inside. I got these visors online. They weren't terribly expensive, and they're pretty easy to install. The first thing that I did was roll down the windows, which is pretty important. The next thing the instructions said was to clean the inside edge of where the visor is going to attach, and that's where I had to get a little creative. I've got a piece of cardboard here and a paper towel that I'm going to wrap over the edge, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of cleaner on here. There we go. And now I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to stick it up here inside the track, and I'm going to use that to wipe off the inside edge. Now I'll use the dry paper towel and do the same thing to wipe out any extra moisture. There we go. The next thing is to remove the backing on the adhesive strip, which comes off really easily, just like this. And now it's just a matter of putting the visor up into that gap, just like this. There we go. And then I kind of pull it forward, make sure that that edge is contacting the surface completely. And then I just need to do the same thing for the other 4 windows, put the windows up, and let them cure for 24 hours. Then I'll be done. And there you go. That looks awesome. So there you go. Seeing that you do not need to be afraid to put on your own window visors on a car or truck. This is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave.